Mama and Papa phone, a brother and sister and a dog phone, a grandpa phone and a grandma phone too. Oh yeah, my cellular, banannular phone, banana phone, ring, ring, ring. It's a phone with appeal. Banana phone, ring, ring, ring. Now you can have your phone and eat it too. Banana phone, ring, ring, ring. This song drives
Brady.
Banana phone.
What's my name?
Ring, ring, ring.
What's my name?
I got it.
Brady, what's my name?
She was on Hot Now.
Is it Abby?
So is that a confirmation of the Continental?
Yeah, it is Hot Now.
I was on the wrong airline.
Yeah, I mean, that's weird that they threw her to Cincinnati on Continental, though.
What's my name?
You get Continental.
What's my name? My name is Muno.
Well, she is, but the thing is that what happens is, like when I go through the desk, I call.
My name's Abby.
And I'll get online too.
Yeah.
Because they're only going to offer you, you know. Yeah, I mean, it's just good to know your options.
Is that a good banana?
Are you on Continental?
Hi, Nicole.